In this video, we are going to see regular Spanish words and their opposites. Not only can you use this video as a listening practice, but you can also learn some vocabulary, with double the fun, of course. We will pronounce the base word and then the opposite word. At the bottom, you will find their translation in English. Are you ready? Let's do it. Grande, pequeño. Big, small. Alto, bajo. Tall, short. Largo, corto. Long, short. Rápido, lento. Fast, slow. Fuerte, débil. Strong, weak. Nuevo, viejo. New, old. Caliente, frío. Hot, cold. Duro, blando. Hard, soft. Brillante, opaco. Bright, dull. Claro, oscuro. Clear, dark. Feliz, triste. Happy, sad. Bueno, malo. Good, bad. Grande, pequeño. Large, small. Delgado, gordo. Thin, fat. Ligero, pesado. Light, heavy. Rico, pobre. Rich, poor. Simple, complicado. Simple, complicated. Joven, viejo. Young, old. Derecha, izquierda. Right, left. Adelante, atrás. Forward, backward. Despierto, dormido. Awake, asleep. Arriba, abajo. Up, down. Blanco, negro. White, black. Limpiar, ensuciar. Clean, dirty. Entrada, salida. Entrance, exit. Encendido, apagado. On, off. Alegre, serio. Cheerful, serious. Dulce, amargo. Sweet, bitter. Comenzar, terminar. Start, finish. Alto, bajo. High, low. Caro, barato. Expensive, cheap. Delante, atrás. Front, back. Hombre, mujer. Man, woman. Encima, debajo. Above, below. Fresco, cálido, cool, warm. Antiguo, moderno, ancient, modern. Raro, normal, strange, normal. Difícil, fácil, difficult, easy. Sucio, limpio, dirty, clean. Grande, pequeño, big, small. Ancho, angosto, wide, narrow. Alto, bajo, tall, short. Caro, barato, expensive, cheap. Profundo, superficial, deep, superficial. Húmedo, seco, wet, dry. Gordo, flaco, fat, skinny. Ligero, pesado, light, heavy. Sencillo, complejo, simple, complex. Correcto, incorrecto, correct, incorrect. Pronto, tarde, soon, late.